In this video, I'm gonna talk about does Poco C75 run Asphalt Legends Unite. Let's check it out. I will simply go in the settings, game settings, graphic settings. I have set all the graphic settings to low. Now let's play the game. It is running smooth on the low graphics. Now I will simply quit the race. I will simply go in settings, game settings, graphic settings. Now I will set the graphics quality to medium. Now let's play the game with the medium graphic settings. It is also running smooth on the medium graphics. Now let's play with the high graphics. I will go in settings, game settings, graphic settings and set all of these to high. I have set all the graphic settings to high. Now let's play the game. This game is working smooth on the high graphics. I have played this game on the low, medium and high graphics. If we talk about the game performance, it is running smoothly. So yes, Poco C75 can run this game. If you like the gaming inside, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.